How to add repeater to Wix website. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add repeater to your Wix website. Okay, the first thing to do is to log in into your Wix account, just like I have done here, and then once you're logged in, at the right side of the home page, you'll see the design site icon. Just navigate through and click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be directed to the Wix website editors page. Now, to load this page might take a while depending on your access to internet connection. So just wait for it to load. All right, so once that's loaded and you're brought to the editor's page, by the left side of the screen, navigate through and select the add element icon. Okay, so once you've clicked on the add element icon, a box will be displayed. Ensure you locate lists, the list option. List is located under interactive and above embed code. So once you've seen it, click on it. Then once you've clicked on it, you would see some options here. You see repeaters, over repeaters, blank repeaters. Our focus is on repeaters. All right, so just click on it. Then once you've clicked on it, the next thing for you to do is to locate the repeater you want. Is it this, or just scroll down until you see the one that you want. Once you've seen it, the next thing for you to just long press on your desired one and then paste it on the page. Yes, so this is it. Then you can just scroll down, depending on where you want it to be. All right, and then this is it. This is your repeater. Okay, yeah, just like that. So this is how you can add a repeater to your Wix website. Thanks for watching.